Hey guys, this is Santos with Flashy Jewelry, and my video today is about sorry guys, it's about a pair of Moissanite earrings that I received. They're icy blue. I have not seen these yet, but these were sent to me by another YouTuber that I consider a friend of mine. We've never met personally, but I consider him a friend. James Custom Jewelry. So this package right here was sent to me by James of James Custom Jewelry, and he paid for this himself to ship it. And this is a pair of earrings that he sent me, and I wanted to unbox it with you guys. I'm not going to show his address. That's why I have it flipped this way. I'm not divulging any of his personal information because he entrusted me with that. So I am not going to do that. So I'm keeping it this way. But this is from James Custom Jewelry, and we're just going to get right into it, and we're going to tear into the bag and see what James has for us. So, like I said, I want to be careful not to show his address anywhere. Not into giving out people's personal information. So we're just going to tear right into this, and we're going to pull it out, and that's what we have. We have, first of all here, we have James' business card. And you see on his business card, he has this logo, which looks really nice. And I think he said that this logo was created by his daughter. So I really respect that he has family and keeps family close to him, whether it's business or whatever it may be. I have my son that edits my videos and stuff like that, so I'm really big on having family around the business and teaching them the way also. So yeah, I think he said, I watched some of his videos, I think he said the logo is made by his daughter, the two little rings, so that's a cool little touch. And he also has little custom stickers on the box. This is a touch that I don't have yet. I'm still working on this for my company, so I'm looking into getting logos for my boxes also. So I think that's really cool of him. So his card, I'm gonna put it away, but showed it to you guys. It says jamescustomjewelry@gmail.com if you want to reach him, and it has his phone number, but you guys can get his phone number off his page, James Custom Jewelry on YouTube. I'll set that to the side, and he did a real good job of taping the box, so if the package is shifted around, the box doesn't open up and your earrings fall out and get crushed or anything like that. So that's really good. He did such a good job. I'm struggling to get it off. But yeah, I got it, guys. So I'm excited to see what James sent here. Ooh. Wow. Look at these things, guys. And watch that shine, man. And these things, they look like 6.5s, 6.5 mm, but oh my God, man. James, this is really good quality. And I got the tester right here, so we're gonna check it out and make sure everything's official. And we have it at 2. The tester, got my hand on the back, so jumped right up. Look at these things. We'll go back and forth a little bit. Yep. I'm just going to show them here. I really don't even want to put my hands on them because they might be going on my website. But look at those things. And these, he calls these his icy blue. I guess he's coming out with his own line called the Icy Blue line by James Custom Jewelry. So check out for that, guys. I don't know exactly when he's launching it, but he says it's going to be there soon. So I'm going to be looking out for it too, because I guess he has a lot of new stuff coming up. I have a lot of new stuff coming up too. I have a bunch of Cuban necklaces that I'm bringing out with the pendants. You guys will see soon. It should be within the next couple weeks. You're going to see another bunch of stuff on the website, flashyjewelry.net, and stuff that's really inexpensive pieces that you guys can wear, whether it be to a party, anything like that, any type of engagement. So yeah, guys, getting back to these earrings, like, I am totally stoked by them, really happy by James's quality. You guys saw that I tested it. The tester was at 2 to 3, and those things just jumped right up. The tester screamed right away. Like, and this is the quality that James has over there. And in his videos, he said he's continuing to move forward, and I'm totally with that too. We're both small companies. I'm continuing to move forward. I take some L's sometimes, but I'm happy when I get the W's. We're at 62 subscribers. We have our giveaway at 70 subscribers. We have not forgot about that. We're gonna stick to our word. We're at 62, guys. We're almost there. We need 8 more subscribers, so let's get them subscribes up. Share with your friends, stuff like that, and get them to subscribe. Let's get a 70 or over, and we're gonna do this giveaway. And like I said, we're gonna give away a pair of Moissanite earrings. It won't be these, because these were sent by James. So if I do get rid of these, they will be on sale on the website, or if not, I'm gonna be keeping these for myself. So it won't be these, but I showed the ones they were. They're a pair of 6.5 mm green Moissanite. Tested them and everything. And we're also gonna give away a silver-plated tennis necklace. So it's gonna be there's gonna be 2 winners when we reach the 70 subs. So guys, like I said, that giveaway is still open. Get them subscribes in there, and we will give this stuff away promptly when the 70 subscribers come up. So this is Santos with Flashy Jewelry. I will see you guys soon. Peace out.